Commuters also travel by bicycle. Fairfax County offers a network of bicycle trails to both those who commute to work and those who bike for pleasure. The county's bike program, Bike Fairfax, has created a county-wide bike map showing bike-friendly routes connecting all of Fairfax County. To view this map, go to Bike Pages on the Department of Transportation website, or pick up a copy of the map at local bike shops and county government centers. Bicycle lockers or racks are available at all metro stations, and cyclists may bring bicycles aboard Metro Rail trains during certain hours. The Wheelie Reston East Bike and Ride features the county's first enclosed, secure bicycle parking facility with room for over 200 bikes. With both traditional floor-mounted racks as well as vertical space-saver racks, the bike room also has room for oversized bikes and bikes with trailers. Bench seating and a fully equipped fix-it station make it easy to tune up your bike before hitting the trails. Membership to the bike room is a modest annual fee and provides 24/7 electronic access to the facility, which is conveniently located at the Wheelie Reston East Metro Station.